And there it is. There's the Lightboard shirt.
Hey, OChemNinja. I wanted to give you a tour of the Lightboard Studio. We're here on the beautiful campus of Xavier University. Let's go take a look inside. Recording in progress. This is the foyer of our Lightboard Studio. We've got two rooms in here. The first room is a audio booth where we can do voiceover recordings, any podcast things that we need to do. All of that is in here in a very soundproof room. Turn the lights off though. Next we'll enter the actual Lightboard Studio. So this is the Lightboard Studio. This is where all the magic happens. The first thing that you see when you walk in is the Lightboard computer. It runs one button software, some software out of Penn State, and it's really nice.
And there it is. There's the Lightboard shirt, the blue shirt. It's been with me since the very beginning, since I started recording Lightboard videos in, I don't know, 2015 or so. I try not to have anything with me when I record my videos. It's very annoying when I forget to take my watch off, because then I feel like I have to reshoot the whole video. If I'm going to be in the studio all day, sometimes I'll just take my shoes off while I'm here.
Even the HVAC system in this room was specially designed to keep the fan noise away. Not quite sure what they did, but they did something with the fan system so that the fan noise does not come into the room as much and it does not disrupt our videos. Here's another fun fact about the room. The room is not perfectly square. This is by design. Our colleagues in the music department suggested the room not be perfectly square. Apparently it helps with the echoes or something. They wanted some instrumentalists to be able to record in here. So by not making it perfectly square, that apparently helps with some of the echoes. All I need to do when I'm ready to record is I can plug in my USB stick that turns on the system. The software will change over to the view that the camera is seeing. Right now I've got my laptop plugged in with the PowerPoint that I want to overlay, so I can display the PowerPoint. That puts the PowerPoint as the backdrop of the camera, of the screen on the camera. This is our monitor station. Here's our camera. So from the perspective of the camera, when we record, everything is written backwards, which of course would be very bad for you, the viewer, to see. So what our camera system does, what the One Button Studio does, is it flips the video horizontally about the Y-axis when we are recording so that it records in the correct orientation. I come back here, got my trusty water bottle. It's very, when you're talking a lot, recording a lot of videos in the same day, you need lots of water. Got our markers, our glass cleaning solution, and here's the glass. So this is where I record. When I write, I just write normal. When the camera flips the video across the horizontal axis, it does make it look like I'm writing left-handed. I'm not left-handed, I'm a right-handed person. So I write normal here, it's backwards to the camera, but then the software flips it horizontally. This room is lit. We have studio lights in here, we've got backdrops in here. We can do just regular video production in this room, but for the Lightboard, we turn off the studio lights and the room lights. This room gets very dark with all these lights off. And the Lightboard itself is illuminated. So it's got subject lighting around the side of the Lightboard. I don't know how that shows up on the camera, but there are some UV lights inside the plane of the glass that then bounce off the ink and illuminates the ink so that the camera can see it. So that's how the Lightboard works. I stand back here, I write like normal, the camera flips it so that you, the viewer, can see exactly what you should be seeing to be the best OChemNinja you can be. Thanks for taking this tour with me. Thanks for joining us today, Ninjas. Be sure to watch these other videos to level up your ninja training even more. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe.